China is on alert as 8 consecutive days of heavy rains have forced dams and reservoirs to open their floodgates, with the sudden flooding leaving 5 cities submerged and causing heavy damage to the country's economy.
妈耶！瞧瞧，我的个天呀！哎呦妈哟！你瞧多少车呀！我的天呀！
那车有人就完了。
那个车亮了灯，是不是车上有人呀？
就是有人。
哎呀呵！
完了，
有人可危险了。
有人可完了。
哦，后头见好就把我要到
In Anhui, Zhejiang, Jiangxi, Hubei, and Hunan provinces, cumulative rainfall has ranged from 250 to 500 millimeters, with areas such as Changde in Hunan and Huangshan in Anhui receiving between 500 and 740 millimeters. In Hangzhou, Zhejiang province, continuous heavy rains have caused disruption across the region. Torrential rains have clogged drainage systems, leading to widespread flooding, with local homes being particularly affected.
沟区中昂时代广场发洪水了。
The situation has posed challenges for both residents and tourists, forcing them to deal with waterlogged accommodation and disrupted travel plans.
等待救援。
In Anji County, Huzhou City, a popular water park was severely damaged by the prolonged rain, causing huge financial losses and potentially long-term impacts on the region's tourism industry. Meanwhile, roads near Lingyan Temple were also heavily flooded, turning into streams, making travel dangerous and triggering a citywide heavy rain warning. An emergency response was immediately implemented, with repairs restoring power to 5,399 households in the affected area. However, for safety reasons, 487 households that were not ready to have their power restored were relocated to emergency shelters, and these households were provided with food, drinking water, and medical supplies. Due to the heavy rain, many reservoirs had to discharge floodwaters, including Zhexi Reservoir in Hunan Province, which was the first time this year. In urban areas, severe flooding occurred, with water rushing through streets, underground shopping malls, and parking garages. The station square and surrounding areas, including a large building materials supermarket, were heavily flooded, forcing metro lines 2 and 3 to shut down. City forces deployed baffles and sandbags to control the flood, while traffic police directed traffic through the heavy rain. some businesses faced water intrusion and leaks, forcing owners to take flood prevention measures. In Huangxing Town, flooding flooded homes and trapped residents. Local authorities carried out rescue operations, safely evacuating more than 110 people, and deployed pumping stations and mechanical equipment to control the flood.
今天早上还怎么去上班呢？这样子都泡水了嘞。
Due to the severe weather, many parks and scenic spots were closed, and some highways were under traffic control. The Changsha Meteorological Station has raised the heavy rain warning to red and raised the emergency response level to level 3. The warning requires residents and tourists to be vigilant and avoid unnecessary travel to avoid accidents. West Lake, a popular tourist destination in Hangzhou, has not escaped the effects of the heavy rains. The normally peaceful water surface has now become chaotic, disturbing the tranquil beauty of the area and affecting businesses that rely on tourism.
係啊，我咪啊，成就個檔幾都準備啦，唉，啲水差唔夠啊，咁成身冇得，冚個天都真係水吧，我點冇嗱，啊，條水都唔急啊。
The Longnan Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters has upgraded the emergency response from Level 4 to Level 3, requiring districts and counties to be highly vigilant and ready to respond to disasters. The top priority is to ensure the safety of people's lives and property. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get the latest weather updates every day. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Have a nice day and be prepared for any weather conditions. See